So today we are making this in Canva. Now go to apps and type Typecraft. Then select the only option there is. Now go to text box, type your text, and then select your font. Change the color to white, and then distort your image. Now I am going to distort my image like this, or your text rather, and then add the design. Now add a square, resize your square, change the color to black, and then send it to the back. Now adjust or resize your text. Once done, download this one as PNG. Now delete all your elements and then upload your new one. Then text image, remove the background, and then add your selected image for your background, send that to the back, and then resize your image as well as your text image as needed. It really depends on your liking, so I'm just going to resize this. And then also, if your image will not cover the whole slide or the whole document, you would need to cover that one with black or whatever color you selected. And then what I'm gonna do is that I will add a square, change the color to black. Then I'm just going to resize this one, and then I'll cover the whole slide. So everything is covered with black except for our text image. Just need to make sure everything is covered. And then download this one as PNG again. Alright, and then select all the elements, delete again, upload your new image, and then select or remove the background. Now resize if you'd like, and then you may or may not crop the image. Really depends on you, you don't have to. And then duplicate your image, set that aside, then edit, adjust the brightness. You can play around with the settings, but I'm just gonna do mine like that. Then duplicate this image and then make sure it is perfectly aligned to the bottom. Then click the up arrow 3 times. Once that is done, click the duplicate as many as you'd like, and then select this, set the layer to front, then set it like that. Now select everything and group it, and here you go.